Okay, now I'm launching the app. Acid bases and salts chemistry lab. As you can see here, all the strong acids are there and weak acids are there. We have phenolphthalein solution and methyl orange. So I'll pick up one litmus paper, which is red litmus. It should not react to the acid. Nothing will happen. Nothing happened. Now I'll go for a blue litmus. I'll keep it for 3 seconds in H2SO4 and the blue litmus is turned red. Now what I'll do is I can teleport having this space so small. What I'll do is I'll pick up methyl orange dropper and I'll go for H2CO4, 3 drops, and the color is changed. I'll use this and I'll you can see this, how comfortably you can rotate and everything. I can go ahead. Right, so I can come here and there's another litmus. If I throw it, I can always pick it up again, put it in HCl and changes the color. You can see how beautiful it is. Alright, I'll go for another lab now, which is a physics lab. Okay, here we are in the physics lab. This is a pendulum lab and you can see different size pendulums are there, and in this lab we have a control panel. In this control panel you can change the rotation of the pendulums, you can change the height of the strings, you can see, and you can change the mass of the pendulum and also the friction. So now what I'll do is I'll rotate it to certain height, and as you can see here, all these are now right now not reacting to my hand, and what I'll do is I will release it to see the difference. Alright, so the mass was increased and we had different length of strings, the oscillation is different. What I'll do is I'll reduce the mass, I'll reduce the friction, and I'll reduce the height as well, and I'll reset it right now and rotate it and release it again. As soon as I release, you can see the movement of these pendulums. And these will now react to my hand as well, because it is in the physics, it has become the rigid body. Now I can teleport to other experiments in the lab. This is the two pendulums with varied string length. I'll try to oscillate them, and you will see that the oscillation is varying because of the length of the string. The identification, I can reset this as well, and I can take one pendulum to a particular height angle. Okay. As you can see, this is an experiment with two pendulums having varied height and varied height of string. And now what happens is, as I change the oscillation of this pendulum, you can see with the varied string the different oscillation speed occurs and the oscillation varies. I'll reset it again and I'll try to take this to a particular angle and drop it so we can understand the friction as well as the oscillation of the pendulum here.